Okay, important compassion. You guys are going first? Oh. Okay, and also everyone has to speak, so I'm just letting you guys know that. Okay, so what do you guys think exactly is the importance of a compassion?
장색해 전번에 카레 이세나 니가 장색 때나 누가 당미 샤바디 세마 기분 차기래.
Compassion is important because it gives you self happiness and it benefits both people.
I think compassion is important because being nice to others will help you and the other person feel happiness for both you and them.
Your turn. Something. Talk about.
The patient got finished.
So I think compassion is important because if you show compassion, you feel happy, and the other person you show compassion to also feels happy.
미션발라 장색 때나 마땡나 건조 like 가르코치 약부터기 말아 아니 건조 like 되기 망고요 말해 그냥 미션발라 망고로 거치나 그냥 소소 망고 되기요 말해.
저랑 미션발라 장색 때나 드는 이마지 저랑 장색 때는 저 리처랑 술리를 배치나 미직라 nyamba jana tini location ala nima location ala ngala nyamba churi gliwe tini wondi ningche teni mitama kiu chawore.
Do you guys have any questions for Yetri? Sorry, Sungzim? Do you guys have any questions for them? Okay, and what about you? Do you have any questions? No? Okay, does any of the judges want to ask any questions? Okay, Karma, go
Why
ahead.
is that group so good? Like they legit said everything.
They said the same thing.
Why are they so good? That's so blazing.
Karma is simp.
Bro, whoa, are they blazing like crazy today?
Paula, that's enough. Okay, let's move on. Okay, moving on. Okay, compassion brings benefit to both you and others. This time, Yetri will start.
How much I yell at this one? Are you sure about that?
지와 당보디 먼저 로봇 지나서서 되기 자기라 아니 계란 지하 되기 자기라 아니 계란 미자 되기 전에 계란 서서 그러면 자기 말에 아니 계란 되기 망고 되기라 아니 되기 망고 되나 미야 되기 안다 되니 미션 바로 빠시 되게 돼.
저랑 미션달라 닌제 되나 건조 뺏기우 중기래 드니 라면도 뺏기우 중기래 가지나 저랑 까마 야고 사래 드니 미제 제와딜라 저랑 사실 야고지가 기래 드니 저랑 미니제 뺏기우 중기래.
미션바 로봇이나 드니 처럼 담디 미션바 니가 치고 참는.
Okay, let's hear from the other side now.
I think compassion benefits both people because when you're nice to someone else, you feel happiness, but then when you're nice to that person also is helped and really grateful for your kindness. Compassion benefits you and others because when you're compassionate to someone, you get like self happiness and like you know like you did something good, and then it benefits others because you did something good for them and like they'll probably feel motivated to like do something good to other people too.
잠시 계란텀이 샴푸디가 약보래 가래 있어나 계란텀이 샴푸디가 약보 세바 약보 차기래.
That's good. Can I ask Yetri a question?
Yes.
can you give me an example of how compassion brings benefit to both you and others?
If you were to give someone something that made them happy, you feel happiness in knowing that you did something good for someone else. Yeah.
Okay. What about you, Sungsin? Can you give me an example too?
If you're nice to someone else, like if you like help them out with something, they'll feel happy and thankful that you were nice to them, and they'll also feel your kindness and be friendly, while you feel like really good for helping them out with whatever you're helping them with, and that happiness just makes you feel better.
Do any of the judges have questions? Or no?
No.
Okay, let's move on then. Compassion is an inner quality. Okay, let's hear from Sungsin first.
I believe that compassion is an inner quality, because if it doesn't come from the inner, if you're nice to somebody, and you have compassion for someone, you think it's compassion, but then the next time when you're in trouble and they don't help you, you expect them that they'll help you. But that's not from the inner, that's you expecting that they'll help you, even though compassion should come whether or not that person's going to help you.
I think compassion is an inner quality because it's something that it's like a quality that comes from inside because being kind is like something that you should already be, and compassion is.
That's fine. We can hear from Rinson next.
Wow.
So compassion is an inner quality, because if you're just kind to someone from the outside, it doesn't mean that you're compassionate. It means that you're just trying to show that you're good in front of other people. If you're actually compassionate, then you and the other person will feel happy. So yeah.
I think all people have compassion as an inner quality. It's like if everyone shows compassion, everyone can be happy. So compassion is basically in everyone.
So I think as compassion is not a feeling, but a trait, right? So if you be compassionate to one person, you have to stay compassionate. You can't just be okay, I'm going to be compassionate to this poor person, and then I expect him to help me 10 years from now. No, you have to be okay, I helped this man. Oh, I feel really happy about this. I'm going to go help someone else now. So that's what I think of compassion as an inner quality.
I think that every human being is born with the wanting to be happy, and everyone strives for happiness. And the way you get happiness is being really compassionate to other people. And I think that if you have compassion as a true inner quality, you should be someone who doesn't be compassionate just because other people say it's good, but because it makes you feel good.
Sungsin, do you agree with them? And if you do, can you explain a little bit more about that?
I agree, because when you're nice to others, you shouldn't just be nice to them just because you expect that they'll give back to you. You should just do it because it'll make you happy and them.
Okay, now we can move on to the next topic. Relation between compassion and happiness. This time, Yitri will go first.
참새 단대기 제가 가려나 참새 대기라나 가네레네 참새니래 그냥 가만 그냥 amusement park 찍지나 그냥 대기 망보여라 그냥 가게라 가게라 참새 가만 그냥 참새 치유래 아니 참새치니 그냥 대기라나 그냥
I think compassion and happiness have a relation because people who show compassion are always happy, like religious people such as like Buddhist people. So compassion and happiness kind of correlate between each other.
I think that all the source of all happiness is compassion because when you're being nice to someone else, it's like it always makes you feel happy. But when you just like do a one-time thing, like maybe do something bad just to get something that you think will make you happy. So like if you just go to like a restaurant and eat a lot of fries and you think it's tasty, that's like short-term happiness, and it won't let you make memories and make you really happy.
I believe that compassion and kind and happiness go hand in hand because when you're nice to someone else, you feel good about it and you feel happy about that day. And like how Gism said, how it's not short-term thing, but something you'll remember. While when you help that person will also remember, hey, that person was nice to me and that made me happy.
Compassion and happiness are like there's a relationship between compassion and happiness because when you're compassionate to someone, you get happiness from doing it, and the person who you're compassionate to also receives happiness, and you feel good about like being compassionate to someone.
So I think that compassion and happiness are related to each other because when you're being compassionate to someone, the other person and you feel happy because first you did something that was pretty good to someone else, like you might have given them money to buy food or helped them with something, and the other person will feel happy towards you and grateful towards you because you helped them out. So yes.
Do you guys agree with them?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Let's move on. Actually, wait. The judges, do they have any questions? Norfell, student council, do you have any questions? No. Okay, let's move on then. Compassion and interdependence. First of all, can one of, I'll ask Nick Sungs in first. What's the difference between compassion and interdependence?
Compassion is being nice to someone without expecting it to be received, and interdependence is when both people are dependent on each other, as in you're dependent on your friend as your friend is also dependent on you.
Compassion is being is doing something good to someone else, like out of your own, like out of you, like without them telling you to like compassion is doing something good to someone else, like out of your own happiness, and interdependence is depending on someone else.
So compassion and interdependence are two different things because compassion is doing something out of the goodness of your heart to someone else without expecting anything back, while interdependence is you expecting something from someone else because you guys are both dependent on each other.
I think that there's a really big difference between compassion and interdependence, because when you're being compassionate, you're doing something just because it'll make the other person happy and you happy. But the idea of interdependence is that everything is connected in some way or other, and without each other, we would not be able to get along and do anything.
So like interdependence is like, oh, this person relies on his parents to live and like eat and like actually survive, and then the parents rely on him to like, and the parents trust their child to like not do anything bad. So there's like a role of interdependence where trust is involved, but compassion is like, oh, I do something nice to you, and then to make both of us feel better, and then now we're both happy. All right?
I think compassion and interdependence are very different because interdependence is like relying on others, and like people show interdependence to survive because it's like a necessity to their life. But compassion is like being kind to others so you can like kind of benefit yourself and help others benefit.
Are we getting the scores today?
Yeah. Anyway, okay. Can you guys tell me some acts of compassion that you did? Anyone can go first.
I know sometimes like my parents are busy, like doing like work or whatever that helps like the house, and I know that one thing that makes it easier is like doing the little things like cleaning your room or like washing the dishes is like really helpful because when they come home after like a lot of work, they don't have to worry about that too.
One act of compassion I did was I helped someone I didn't so like in history we were doing a debate like this, but and there was someone sitting next to me and we needed to participate to get points, and she didn't participate, so because she didn't have anything to say, so I gave her like stuff to say so she wouldn't get a 0, and she said yeah, and I felt good.
So when I was in Nepal, there was like a few kids who were kind of who were like I think they were homeless. And I gave them food and crackers.
Do you guys agree with their acts of compassion? Like, do you think that that's actual compassion?
Yeah, I think that's actual compassion because what they did, they didn't really expect anything in return.
Okay. And now, can you guys say your own acts of compassion?
나랑 템직 나랑 주무제딩 슈도 나이 빈전 염도 tinga 카콘서 나 추도 뚱가 드링 tinga nanglo dodo wala ngai amala vacuum chigore tinga ngarang vacuum go targu la tado wala targu de chama stretch do jishidu kajna ngaje ama dina yore vacuum go plug targu de tuksa de dela yore which nga tuksa de guru tai tini damla shai tini Chimbo do ke mara ini ngarang pe tiu chung sung chido wala.
So I'm a patrol on my bus. So like sometimes there can be really big conflicts on it. So there's this kid who gets into a lot of trouble, but there was this one time where he got accused but he didn't actually do it. So I got this kid out of trouble because it just felt like the right thing to do because he didn't do anything wrong. So I don't think he should have gotten blamed for it.
타마진 벤자 춘추 콩기 안지 란주 주성간이 콩기 슈가멘상 나코 로버제요.
Did you have a question? Okay.
Yeah, are you sure that kid didn't actually do the
Yeah. No, I asked everybody.
Okay. Sangsan, do you guys agree with them?
Are you sure like Holmes?
Oh, okay. Do you think that their
Are you
acts
sure
of
like Holmes?
hold on? Okay. Sangsan, do you think that their acts of compassion was actual compassion?
I do believe that they were acts of compassion because they didn't expect anything to be received after being helpful.
Okay. Can someone tell me what's the difference between kindness and compassion? What's different about each other? Whoever wants to go first. kindness and compassion. What's the difference? Or is there a difference?
I think kindness in general is just like helping others, but people who be kind of expect something like back. But people who like show compassion, they want to show compassion so they can benefit other people, not to like receive anything back to help themselves.
Good job. Okay. You guys want to say anything or no? Oh, sorry. You guys. I didn't know you were.
I think like kindness is feeling kind. Like you feel like, oh, I'm feeling really kind today. I think I'll help someone out today. So you're feeling kind, right? But the act of kindness you're doing, it's kindness, not an act of compassion. So in a way, kindness is different because it's a feeling, not a trait like compassion.
I think that kindness and compassion are really, really closely linked, but there is small differences. Like an act of compassion is when you're like doing the nice thing so that you can see the other person become happy, and in a way you become happy. But kindness is more of like when you just want to like do it because you can and you have the ability to, you just do it. But kindness and compassion are both really good qualities.
I think, what's it called? They, at times, not exactly, but sometimes they do go hand in hand. Because when you have compassion for someone else, they can feel the kindness of your compassion. Whether you're like helping them up or helping them cross the street, they can feel your kindness of like willing to do so. But they're also slightly different because, like they said, kindness is technically a feeling you have. It's not a specific trait like compassion is.
I think there are like a lot of qualities in kindness, like being kind, like being caring, being friendly, and there's kindness and compassion, but they're not the same thing because kindness is like a feeling and compassion is like doing something good, where like both of the people are happy and you don't expect something back. Yeah.
I don't think that kindness and compassion are the same thing because when you're being kind, sometimes you might expect something back. But when you're being compassionate, you don't really expect anything back and you're still being kind, but this time, like, both you and the other person are feeling happier.
Okay, I want to give a quick situation. Let's say there's an old homeless man, and he is homeless. So then a young boy approaches him and helps him out by giving a bit of money. But as time goes on, the young boy expects something in return, and he grows resentful. So the old man obviously cannot pay back because he's still homeless, but he tries to help, but the boy knows that he really cannot help. So do you think the young boy is being compassionate or just kindness? Okay, one of you can go first.
I believe that the young boy is being kind because when he just saw the old man, he felt bad in that moment and he just gave the old man something to make the old man's situation better. But over time, he still like was thinking that like his being kindness would turn into him getting something in return. But if he was being compassionate, he would see that the old man was suffering and that he could relieve the suffering a little bit by giving him money and expect nothing in return because he knows the old man won't be able to do anything for him. And that when he gave him the money, it was just a sign of raw, you can take it, I don't need it.
Popolo chungodi ko pesha many many bugdi chamse deni pesha but nima re doni kogdi chamse di jenchini kindness chara kindness kogi ko nga tere nga shemba ko nga ta kran nga la chikte ani ko dhodine ko chamse di ma chamare
I think the little boy did an act of kindness. At first, he wanted to help the old man, but like later, he wanted something in return, and that kind of like showed that he was kind of like greedy. He wanted like something back. So it's not really compassion. It's more just like acting, like helping others.
Do you guys agree? Okay. And do you guys want to say anything, or do you guys want to say anything about the situation? Okay.
I also think that that the little boy was just being kind, because when he helped the boy, he was helping out of kindness, and if it was compassion, he wouldn't expect anything later. But of course, the little boy turned resentful because he didn't get anything in return, and not getting anything in return is something that compassion would be okay about. But since he wasn't okay with it, it shows that it wasn't really compassion.
I think the little boy was being kind because he was being kind because he gave the old man money. I mean, the homeless person money. But then as like the years like passed, like he wanted something in return. And if he was being compassionate, then he wouldn't want anything in return because it's like compassion is being kind to someone without wanting something in return.
I think that the little boy was just being kind. He was just showing an act of kindness because, as our group Songson stated, compassion is when you don't expect anything back from someone else when you help them, but kindness, you could expect something back sometimes, so.
That'll conclude our debate. Do you guys have any closing remarks, or are you good? Good? Okay.
상마가 부지나 니아도.
Okay. Good.
I have one question.
The question is,
Oh, okay, wait. Okay. Let Kyle speak, and then we'll do questions. Okay. Yundun. Sorry.
It's
Gundun. Sorry. Okay.
For the compassion and interdependence, do you think there's any way that compassion and interdependence are like related? Because you said they're not the same.
Oh, there's your answer. Okay. Good.
What the?
No,
Where'd
that's
it
fine.
go?
Done. Guys, anything you want to say? Closing remarks.
Compassion is really important and really helpful in a lot of ways. Thank you.
Be compassionate.
That was amazing.
Yeah,
That was neat. You almost lost.
Many examples they explain how like passion basically works and kindness and the differences between the two. So I think they both had good examples and everything. And they both mostly explained everything, so yeah, they both did pretty good. That's pretty equal to me.
First off, the Songsin group got 159 points. What? Okay. And the next group got 171 points. Yes. Congratulations, you guys won.